Oh no, look at the clock. It's 8:15. We're late. Jessica, wake up. We completely overslept. What time did you say it was? 8:15? Our train leaves at 10:30 sharp.
10:30? Oh, goodness. Okay, let's move quickly. Mark, Lily, time to get up. Rise and shine, everyone.
Mom, please, just 5 more minutes under the blanket.
No 5 minutes today, little one. We're going to London.
London? Big red buses and maybe even the Queen's Guards?
Exactly, but only if we hurry and catch the train.
I'm up. Where's my red scarf?
It's on your chair near your desk. And Mark, find your backpack, please.
I can't see it anywhere. It's lost.
Here you go, my little traveler. Your backpack is behind the door again.
Aw, thanks, Dad.
Train tickets, wallet, phone charger, and the sandwiches. Where did you put the sandwiches, Professor?
In the green cooler bag. And a thermos of green tea for us, of course. No journey without a warm drink.
Mom, I put my rain boots and my notebook in my bag.
Good planning, sweetie. Mark, what about you?
I packed my video game and my lucky baseball cap.
Only that? What about some thick sweaters? London is often chilly.
Oh, right. Clothes, too.
Maybe he's planning to play video games in his pajamas all weekend.
Not funny, Professor. We still have to call the Uber.
Already done. It'll be here in 12 minutes.
12 minutes? Oh dear, I haven't even tied my shoelaces yet.
Professor, you look completely fine. You always look sharp.
Nice compliment, honey, but still, tying time. Okay.
Checklist. Tickets? Check. Wallet? Check. Sandwiches? Check. Phone charger? Double check.
Perfect. We're ready to go.
Wait, Lily's favorite teddy bear again. Where did you leave it this time?
On the rocking horse. Got it. Let's go before we miss the train. Good morning. Going to the station.
Yes, please. King's Cross, platform 9.
All right, hop in quickly. Okay, everyone, seatbelts securely fastened.
I am so excited. I've never traveled on a fast train before.
Really? This will be your first high-speed train ride?
Do trains have small tables for drawing?
Yes, very small ones, like little picnic tables.
Cool. I want to draw the whole journey.
Not right now, Lily. Wait until we are moving out of the city. Oh, look at all the morning traffic. Please move. Cars, please accelerate.
Relax, Jessica. We have plenty of time. The station is not too far from here.
Mom, what will we see in London?
Famous towers, historical museums, green parks, and lots of street performers.
I want to see a double-decker bus, and I want to see a quiet park with no phone calls.
No phone, Mark? Impossible, even for your mom.
Okay, maybe one phone just for taking pictures.
And traditional fish and chips. We absolutely must eat fish and chips there.
Deal. Fish and chips every single day.
Yay!
You're going to love the city, Mark. London is incredible. So much history and culture everywhere.
You've been there before?
Yes, many times. The National Gallery is beautiful. Just don't forget your warm gloves.
Oh no. Jessica, did you remember to pack the gloves?
Maybe I'll buy a new pair at the station shop.
Okay, don't worry.
Okay, but no maybe for the train tickets, please.
Don't worry, my dear. I have them securely right here.
Mom, look! The train station signs. I can see the clock tower.
Finally, we made it. Here we are, King's Cross.
Thank you. Have an excellent journey, folks.
We will. Okay, little explorers, let's find our platform.
And maybe a coffee for me, and maybe a newspaper, and maybe we'll actually make it onto the train with 5 minutes to spare.
Let's go before we have another maybe situation. London, here we come.
Wow, look at all these travelers rushing around.
Yeah, the station is always this busy in the early morning. It feels like a very large indoor market.
I see the departure board. Real train names.
Yes, sweetie, that's where we're heading soon. But first, platform check-in time. Let's find the information screen.
There, over there. Platform 9, train to London Paddington.
Perfect. Mom, What exactly does check-in mean for a train?
It means we show our electronic tickets to the conductor and they confirm we are on the correct train and going to the right city.
Almost. After that, we find our assigned seats and settle down for the trip.
What about security? Do they check my backpack?
People check your bags on planes, but on trains, it's usually just a ticket check, so your toy robot is completely safe today.
Okay, but I have my small tablet.
That's perfectly fine. Tablets are safe for train travel.
Good morning. May I see your tickets, please?
Good morning. We're traveling to London Paddington.
Great. 4 e-tickets, please.
Here you go. 4 tickets right here on my phone.
Thank you. Any large luggage to store in the rack?
Yes, these 2 big rolling bags.
All right, please lift them onto the scale here. Just a quick check. This one might be a bit heavy with all Lily's books. Let's see. 18 kilograms. That's absolutely fine for the train.
Oh, good. I thought it was heavier than that.
And here are your seat reservations. Carriage D, seats 11 to 14. Boarding starts in 15 minutes.
Thank you so much for your help.
Thanks, Mom. What's a seat reservation?
It's like a small ticket stub that tells you exactly which coach and seat number is yours. Without it, someone else might sit there.
Oh, like a special spot for me.
Exactly. Mine says window seat. What does that mean?
It means you get to sit right next to the window and watch the countryside fly by.
Yes, I want to see the fields and the cows.
Oh no, look at all this queue to get onto the platform.
Don't worry, the line always moves very fast when the doors open.
Why do they ask us to wait behind the yellow line?
For complete safety, they check everything carefully before the train arrives, even where you stand.
Even behind the line?
Safety first, always. Please have your tickets ready to scan.
Oh, right. My backpack with the T, too. No, wait, that's fine.
Look, I'm walking fast already.
Save that walking energy for when we are exploring London, buddy.
Finally, we can sit down inside the train. Tea time.
Definitely. I'll get the green tea and some snacks. Kids, what do you want from the snack cart?
A chocolate bar, please.
Salted peanuts for me, please.
1 chocolate bar and 1 packet of peanuts, coming right up.
Here we go. Breakfast number 2.
Thank you, Professor. These peanuts are so crunchy.
Careful, Mark. Don't drop them on your clean shirt.
Too late, I think. Vacation mode is already activated.
Mom, what kind of weather will London have?
It's typically cool, maybe a little cloudy, and sometimes it rains. You'll see old, impressive buildings and a mix of historical sites and modern life.
Do they have big bridges there?
Yes, several very famous bridges and colorful flowers in the public parks too.
Can we take pictures every day?
Every single day if you want to capture the memories.
I just hope we didn't forget anything truly important. Wait, did we pack the umbrella?
Uh-oh. I think I left it hanging on the coat rack near the front door.
Oh no, Professor. We'll get soaked under the famous British rain.
Don't worry at all, Jessica. We'll buy a new one right after we step off the train.
You always have a solution for everything.
And it always works out, doesn't it?
Maybe you are just very lucky.
You know that your mom is always lucky, Professor. That's because I married you.
Oh, stop saying that. Attention passengers traveling to London Paddington. We will be departing from platform 9 in 5 minutes.
Oh, that's us. Time to put the wrappers away.
Yay! We're going to London. Let's run to our seats.
Wait, no running, Mark. We'll get there on time. Just relax.
Okay, family. Tickets and seat reservations ready? Check, check, check.
All right, Team London, let's roll. Next stop, a new adventure.
Okay, everyone buckled up in their seats? The train is moving, ready for departure.
I can see the back of the station from here.
Me too. It's moving quickly. Good morning, everyone. Please keep your luggage secure as we prepare to leave the station and increase speed.
Whoa, we're going fast now.
Hold on, sweetie. We're picking up speed.
Look, the trees outside are becoming a blur. And there we go, out of the city and into the countryside.
They're doing great. I was worried Lily might get a little dizzy.
She's more fascinated than dizzy, I think. True. And Mark is too busy playing a game on his tablet to notice the slight rocking.
Would you like anything else to drink from the cart?
Yes, please. Apple juice for the children, more green tea for us, maybe a small package of biscuits too.
Thank you. These biscuits are so small.
I like train snacks. Everything seems smaller up here, but more exciting, right?
Especially when you don't have to clean up the kitchen afterward.
What was that sudden jerk?
Just a little train noise, honey, like driving over a small bump in the road.
Oh, then we're perfectly fine. It feels like a quick rocking boat ride.
Exactly. See? All good. Now, can I look out the window again, Mom?
Absolutely. Look, the sheep look like little white cotton balls in the field.
I want to count them all.
Save that counting for the museums, buddy. Real art there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be arriving shortly at London Paddington. Please prepare your belongings and secure your carry-on bags.
Hear that? We're almost at our destination.
Finally! I can't wait to see the famous London Eye.
First, let's make sure all our bags make it off the train with us.
We did it! We didn't miss the train.
That's not something you say so loudly, Lily. But yes, we made it perfectly on time.
There are so many people waiting on the platform.
Look, that lady has a sign with a name. Let's see. Miller family. That's not us.
Wait, what's that one? Professor Johnson.
Oh, no. Close, but my name's Professor James, not Johnson.
Hello, are you here to meet the Professor Johnson family?
Almost. It's Professor James, not Johnson. But yes, that's us.
Oh, I apologize. Sorry, my small mistake. Welcome to London.
She wrote your name incorrectly, Professor.
That's completely okay, sweetheart. Now we have a very funny story to share. At least she found us here.
Yes. Please follow me. The car is waiting outside.
Feel that crisp air. It's cool and fresh.
It smells like old stone and a hint of rain.
I hear the city noise already. Are those sirens?
Maybe. We'll find out soon enough.
Welcome to London, my friends. Hotel Grand Central, right?
That's right. Thank you so much.
I can't wait to go see the famous clock tower and take a picture by the river.
One big sightseeing plan at a time, you two. Let's get to the hotel and settle in first.
Agreed. After all that hurried traveling, I just want a comfortable chair.
You and me both, Jessica. We made it.
We sure did. London, our new big adventure has begun.
And that concludes the first part of our family's journey. From the early morning scramble to the quiet anticipation of the train ride, somehow we managed to arrive here. What happens next, dear students?
Well, let's just say there are still a few surprising, real-world English challenges waiting for us in the amazing city of London.
Stay with us on this journey right here on English Real Talks and join our little adventures full of useful, natural English, lots of good laughs, and maybe a few linguistic oops moments along the way.
If you truly enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next part of our London adventure.